Hello guys and welcome to TechRex tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to find draft posts on Facebook. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Facebook app right here. And once we open our Facebook app, so let's say for example that we are going to create a so let's put example right here. And then let's say for example that you want to save it as a draft. So let's back and then let's click this save as draft. And then when you click save as draft, you will receive a notification with your draft. After you go there, all you have to do is to click on this notification icon and then click this notification right here, which is the notification for the draft that we have created. So once we click that, as you can see right there, all of the drafts on our post will be shown right here. So it will expire in 3 days. And let's say for example that we want to edit it. Let's just click this 3 dots here on the corner and then click open draft. So that is basically it for this video. Guys, for watching TechRex tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.